So hi guys, for today's video let's learn how to fix permanently locked Snapchat. So this video will cover temporary lock and permanent lock as well. So this will work for Android, Apple and Google. Okay? So first, jump to your browser and search fix Snapchat account locked and tap the Snapchat website, which will prompt you to their website, which is support.snapchat.com. And this article is the one that you need to see, and there will be a hyperlink which will lead you to a new page, and it requires you to sign in your Snapchat account. So once you sign in, it will give you a list like this and tap the unlock my account, but obviously I'm not going to tap that since my account is not locked. But you should try this method since it's definitely worth trying for. So the next method is pull up your browser again and search support.snapchat.com and click the contact us at the bottom of their website. So once you click that, look for I can access my account in a bullet form, then choose that one and it will actually give you another option. Choose the suitable option that will be given to you. So for that one, after you choose, it actually gives you a form that you need to fill up. So once you submit your report, they will get back to you through emails. Okay? So that's it. I hope you learned something new today and helped you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next time.